Welcome to my channel. I'm Karen Bystead, aka KB, NFT Queen. I'm also the owner of the Lost Warhols NFT Club at the Beverly Center. We're going to talk about NFTs, crypto, wallets, and blockchain. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens, and they can be digital art, they can be collectible art, they can be still art, and all of those art pieces are minted with digital coins. Okay, here are some of the things that you need to know. NFTs, wallets, MetaMask, Temple Wallet, Phantom Wallet, some of the currencies, Ethereum, Tezos, Solana. So initially, you will be setting up a MetaMask wallet using Ethereum. And what you'll need to do is you also need to open up a Coinbase account or an account where you can actually transfer your dollars and then transfer from dollars into Ethereum and then send it to your MetaMask using your MetaMask address.